ചാപ്റ്റേഴ്സിൻ്റെയാണ് കാണിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ ഫൈനൽ റിവിഷനാണ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ it includes all the equations of the chapter. Here it is chapter 3, data handling. It is about arithmetic mean, range, mode and median. Then next one, it is chapter 5, lines and angle. It defines what is line, line segment, point, ray, then complementary angle, supplementary angle, adjacent angles, linear pair, vertically opposite angle, then parallel lines that include in the alternate interior angle, vertically opposite corresponding angle, co-interior angles. Then chapter 6, triangle and its properties, its sides, angles, vertex, median, altitude. Then exterior angle property, angle sum property of a triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, Pythagoras property. Thank you.